Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello everyone, I'm here again with my new video, which I promised that I will make a review video of my new dash cam AnyTek DVR camera with Wi-Fi support, model G100. It's having the Sony CMOS sensor, the high resolution video with 16 GB memory, 8 days continuous 24-hour recording possible, external GPS support, built-in Wi-Fi for connectivity with your smartphone or other devices, iOS and Android application available, built-in G sensors also. 6-layer glass for a perfect focusing of the device, having 160-degree wide angle lens. This will cover all 4 lanes. Now opening the box, let's see what's inside there. It's beautiful packing there. Thanks note for the customer inside the box. It's a beautiful packing. It's kind of envelope here, having instructions and operation user manual. This envelope is containing the instructions and operation user manual. It is very beautiful packing, and it's good, very nice, nicely, and they are attracting the people with nice packing, with nice envelope. This is the good idea. It's a customer note and it's perfect. It will attract. It's a good note for the everyone. It's a good idea, really. It is a good idea. This Arabic language instructions also available, along with this complete operations and wiring, with wiring techniques and everything. This drawing is also available inside this one. This is the pack of accessories. Let's see what accessories inside the box. Another box having the DVR camera device. It is perfectly packed in good looking secure packing. Now open this box. Opening the box, try to make it out the DVR camera. It's really secured packing, nicely packed. I'm really amazed this one. You know, this packing is very important because it's traveling a lot since China, then it will come here. It's traveling a lot, so that's why the secure packing is very required and necessary to keep safe your device. So this is a manufacturer and a supplier having know how to protect the device. So I'm happy to see this one. It's really secured and very nicely packed. Attractive packing, you can say. For the protection of any moist or dust, it's packed in plastic bag also. Now I am going to remove the safety tape on the plastic bag to take out the AnyTek DVR camera. It's really very handy, compact design. This will help to install securely in the car in any hidden place. It's a palm-sized DVR camera. Wow, the great design. Camera lens can be adjusted in different lens angle as required. Oh yes, it's a black box for a car. Yes, it is. And it's made in China. On the back of the camera, the attachment option is available. Here we can attach our clip. IPS screen. Yes, it is a strong screen. DVR camera lens you can adjust by the 360-degree where exactly you need. The best feature, this will enable you to make video outside, even inside the car too. Now it's a time to review the accessories. Let's see what's inside there. Open the accessories box. The first thing is attachment. It's an attachment clip for camera and can be pasted on the windscreen. It's a tape available, 3M sticker tape available, which enable to paste strongly on the windscreen. 3M sticker which enable to paste strongly on the windscreen. This is the secure one. Adjustment also possible to adjust the correct angle size in the clip. Now open it and see closely what's inside there. A specially designed clip for AnyTek DVR camera black box G100. This is 3M original sticker for securely pasted on the window screen. Let's see what other accessories are in the box. It's good looking, very nice, very nice, very nice. It's a complete cabling kit, power cable along with the G sensor. It's a long cable length. This is the good one. It's you can securely cable on the long side, and this is the good, very good. Yes, it's a long cable length, very length. It's a G sensor kit. Yes, it's a power switch protection kit, safety device for the protection of your DVR camera during the starting of the camera of your car engine. Auto power management system, connecting lugs along with the safety fuse directly connected to the car power system for the continuous surveillance of 24 hours a day. Long length USB cable with G sensor. It's single cable having all protection devices connected to the power up from a single source. All the devices, this G sensor, even this the protection system, all available in the single length cable. This is the good idea. This can power up from a single source, and no much disturbance in your car. It's simple and easy to install from a single power. It's a screen protector. Another 3M double glued sticker for security pasting for the G sensor. Thanks a lot. See you soon.